How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect a mini wireless keyboard to your smart TV. Now, most smart TVs out there has Bluetooth connectivity, so it doesn't matter what type of TV you have, as long as both devices right here has Bluetooth compatibility. So make sure to enable the Bluetooth pairing mode for your wireless mini keyboard right here. And I'm going to use a Sony Smart TV as an example because most people use that. And the setting will simply look something like this. You just want to navigate through your remote, click on the settings or the main settings of your Sony, and then there's going to be the remote and accessories. Basically, this setting is here for additional accessories like keyboard or mice. In here, you want to click on pair accessory, and then it will use the Bluetooth connectivity in order to find the mini wireless keyboard. So just make sure that both devices are on pairing mode, and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.